Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Here we have some questions. Let's look at them. The first one is, manufacturing is the process of option A, producing goods in large quantity, option B, producing goods by hands, option C, producing goods without adding value, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is producing goods in large quantities. The second question, which of the following is not a factor of production? Land, raw material, capital, infrastructure. So from what we have just learned, we know that raw material is very important, money is very important, investment in the production of goods is very important, infrastructure. We need to have proper tools, equipments, proper industries, right? We need to have that. Infrastructure is also important. So the only thing that is odd here is land, okay? The next question, what is manufacturing? It is a process of producing goods in large quantities by using machines. Alright. Now the next question, what are tertiary activities? So tertiary activities involve communication, transport, trade, banking services, healthcare, education, etc. Alright? The next question, agriculture and industry move hand in hand. Elucidate. So we have to explain how agriculture and industry, they are closely related with each other. Agriculture produces raw materials which are used by the industry to manufacture goods of high value. Industry also manufactures machines and tools required for the cultivation of crops. Both agriculture and industry hence depend upon each other for progress and survival. Alright? The next question, why is the development of manufacturing industries considered a measure for assessing the economic strength of a country? We know that manufacturing industries play an important role for the economic development or economy of a country. And by looking at the state of manufacturing industry, we can assess, we can tell how the country is economically, whether it's strong, whether it's rich, or whether it's poor. All right. Because, so we can write the development of manufacturing industries considered is considered a measure for assessing economic strength of a country because number one, it modernizes agriculture. Number two, it creates new economic opportunities and employment. Provides employment to all sectors of economy and thereby reduces the dependence on agriculture. It helps overcome poverty by creating job opportunities. Okay. Manufacturing industries enables use of resources optimally. So the question asks us to state whether this statement here is true or false. The statement says recently manufacturing sector is experiencing stagnation in its growth. Is it true or false? It's true. Okay. Which of the following developments usually follows industrial activity? Agriculture, urbanization, electrification, mining. The correct answer is urbanization. Explain the next question. Explain the factors that determine the location of industries. So, some key factors which determine the location of industries, they are availability of raw materials, labor, capital, power, and market. Okay. Which of the following industries belong to the category of heavy industries? Watches, shipbuilding, electric bulbs, knitting needles. The correct answer is shipbuilding. The second question. Classify industries on the basis of capital investment and ownership. So on the basis of capital investment, industries can be classified into two types. A. Large scale industries and B. Small scale industries. And number 2, on the basis of ownership. Industries can be classified into 4 types. A. Public sector. B. Private sector. C. Joint sector. And D. Cooperative sector. Alright?